Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue theme of our channel. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to make a split screen video. Make a multiple screen video and in the Filmora. And as you can see here in my video, we have the three split screen is completely different video inside the clip. And now I have three video of all of them, or four video all of them, and I will choose one or do it to show you. So now let's get started. First, we're gonna add the source here. Click on source like this, and select on three video or four video if you really want to do. So now I'm gonna use four video here. And after that, in this method we have two way of doing this. One is a basic way and the other is an advanced method. So you can choose one among of my video tutorial. Now the first I will take you the basic tutorials for the first method. So on the top right hand side you can see the split screen like this. So go ahead and click that and choose one just among of that. So it is a template that you can actually see them doing them. So now I'm gonna drag it like this to place to the timeline like this. And this one it is an easy way, so you need to drag the part to inside the video like this. And you can also even drag or drop the video, just put it inside. Here is the first method that it is very easy to do. And if you see something that is too much zoom, so you're gonna scroll to more smaller like this to make to find the face of the video. So now I click to find, make more smaller, and if you are too small you will not see anything inside it. And the next step we're gonna add one more. We simply drag it like this for this version. So okay, and now we're gonna click OK, and then we're gonna starting to play that. So now I'm gonna close some music here. Okay, now let's check it out. It look like this. If you want something that is longer, so you need to drag it to be longer like this. So all videos should be longer. This is the basic tutorial, but the method 2, or we can say the way 2, is an advanced method. So now we're gonna take you how to do with an advanced method. So now we're gonna click delete this one because we're gonna start with the advanced method. So go to media again, and we simply drag it like this, and then select the frame that you want to do. And the video is too much long, so I don't need to be long. So I need only 13 seconds. And the next step is we're gonna drag it like this and make video to be shorter, the same to the first drag, and the next one is we're gonna drag it like this. So now drag it like this, and we have 3 video clips now just inside. And after we have already drag and drop all the video that you really want to do with that, so the first step, the next step, we're gonna drag it to be make some part of the playing screen at the first time of the screen. So and the step, one more step that we're gonna do with that, so we should to be make some space to be the first coming screen. It should be a full screen like this of the first video. And now we're gonna add some animation to make it zoom out, a smaller zoom out. So you need to double click on the first drag here, and then click on add. go to animation and customize, click on add, and then we're gonna drag it to the part of the place that we want it to zoom out. So we're gonna see the key is starting from this point to this point. So it should be changed to 50% of the video. So click on that, and now the video animation is going to be 50%. And the next step that we're gonna do next is we're gonna move it to the edge of the left hand side. So we're gonna add one more animation. So double click on that and click on add, and then this time we're gonna drag it the same to the first one, and here we're gonna drag it to the top of the edge of video here. So right now we have two keyframes just already add inside this, and now click on OK, and then now we're gonna start to play the video animation just like this. Okay, you can see here. Okay, it changed to the edge of the left hand side, and this time we're gonna do it one more the same. So you should to be starting with after the first track timeline here. So double click on that and click on add, and then drag it to be more smaller like this and change it to 50%, and then click OK, and now double click again and scroll more to be at the ending part of this frame here, and then click on add again and drag it to this place. And now thing that we're gonna start to do with that is to make it to this place. And now we have two more keyframe now just inside that. So now I'm gonna click on OK, and then we're gonna start to play what is an animation moving like this. Okay, and this time we're gonna move the last one tracking here to go to the right hand side to make some video. So this time we're gonna add one animation also. So now double click on that, go to animation and click on customize here, and then select the place that you really want to do. So it should be starting from the ending part of the second track here. So click on that and then drag it to be forward here, and this time we're gonna drag it to be displaying to the top like this. So now you have the three of video just inside one clip. So now let's get started to play it again. As you can see here, okay, now everything is still working fine. This is the way that you can make the multiple screen, or we can say it is a split screen that I have tool well to take you today. So one is a basic method, and the other is an advanced method of making split screen inside the video. And you can also add many more video if you like. So in this video I did it with the 3 video only, but if you can do it yourself, you can make more video if you like. So thank you for watching my video tutorial. Please leave me a comment or click on the link below to see more tutorial in my description below.